Hey guys, what's up? It's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. This is just a quick little intro to tell you guys what this video is, which I'm sure you can tell by the title. This is a what I wore in a week in college. I think that's what I'm gonna title it. So yeah, this is just my outfits every day for a week. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe before you leave. And yeah, I'll see you next time and have fun watching. I love you so much. Okay, so for Monday's outfit, I'm wearing this Brandy Melville Led Zeppelin t-shirt. It's distressed and it's really cute. And then it was pretty cool in the morning, so I paired it with this thrifted cropped flannel that matches perfectly with it. These jeans are from Target. My shoes are white Converse. My belt is from ASOS, and my hat is from Urban Outfitters. This outfit, the sweater shirt thing is thrifted. My striped shirt underneath is from H&M, and then my pants are from Target, and I am wearing my Air Force Ones, and I think that's it. This outfit's really simple. I'm just wearing this thrifted sweater underneath these thrifted overall shorts and my Doc Martens with some long socks scrunched up.
Now we must hurry on to our period of...
For Thursday's outfit, I'm wearing these vintage denim Levi high-rise shorts, and this shirt is from Urban Outfitters. I paired it with my Air Force Ones, and oh, these are some little cute barrettes and some mid-rise socks. For Friday's outfit, I just have this thrifted Harley Davidson shirt paired with these pants from Urban Outfitters, and I paired it with my Doc Martens. For Saturday's outfit, I'm wearing this thrifted shirt that's advice from a bear. I don't know, I just kind of really like it. This belt is from Urban Outfitters. These jeans are thrifted, and I'm wearing my Air Force Ones. For Sunday's outfit, I'm wearing this turtleneck that's from H&M under this like pantsuit type thing. It's plaid, it's from Target. My necklace, I'm not sure where it's from, and my leather jacket is also from Target, and then I'm wearing my Doc Martens again. That's it for my outfits of the week. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.